been shoveling all day. Look at the cat. Look at this storm. That's a car right there, if you can't notice. He's going to be shoveling for quite a while. Oh, look, he's got a snowblower out. Looks pretty, but it's going to be pretty dangerous. Wow, look at that. And just shoveled the snow like an hour ago off the cars. And look, there's another 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 inches. I don't know. There's a lot. There's the car I was telling you about. You can see it's a car now. Boy, my windows are filthy. The hell's on my windows? Look at that. Wow, he hasn't even made a dent in that. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. 2017, March, winter storm, Stella. Stella, you're a bitch.